How to replace a truck canopy window with plexiglass. That's the window I'm talking about. That one right there. So I wanted to get the exact size of the window. So my plan was to take the frame off from the inside and then push the entire window panel out through the outside. And so I go through the process of taking off all these bolts, and I realize the window panel is actually in the fiberglass of the canopy so tight that I can't easily remove it. So at this point what I have to do is I have to move on to plan B. And plan B is to measure as best I can the window and to approximate the size and use the frame for the rounded corners, which I don't know the exact size of, and then I will cut it out with a jigsaw, which I've never used before, by the way, and I will try to fit it in the window, and as need be I will continually cut down on the height and on the width and on the rounded corners. So once I got it down to size, I put my plexiglass replacement window in the window panel tracked, and I pushed it in, and I had to use a flat head to bend it to get in because it's taller than the frame, and then I pushed it in using all my might and got a rubber mallet to smack it in all the way, and it turned out pretty well. I would say this thing's going to be watertight and good to go. Hell yeah.